Arjun stood alone under a flickering streetlight. The rain had stopped, but his life hadn't. His shirt was soaked, not just from rain, from failure. He had just lost his job. Again. People say, "You'll get used to it." But you don't get used to losing. You just learn how to carry the weight quietly. His father's shop had shut down years ago. His exams. Failed attempts stacked like reminders. Friends who once promised forever had disappeared. And now, this. As Arjun walked down the empty road, every step felt heavier than the last, like life itself was asking him one cruel question. How much more can you take? He stopped at the old bridge, held the cold metal railing, and stared at the rushing river below. Why me? The words barely escaped his lips. Cars passed. People walked by. No one noticed, because sometimes the hardest battles are fought silently. Then a soft voice broke the noise of the river. Crying alone never changed anyone's destiny. Arjun turned. Mr. Dev, a retired teacher from the neighborhood, broken umbrella, muddy shoes, but eyes filled with calm, like someone who had already survived storms. "I'm not crying," Arjun muttered. "I'm just lost." Mr. Dev nodded. "Everyone gets lost, but not everyone chooses to walk again." Arjun's voice trembled. "I try, I really do, but everything I touch breaks." Mr. Dev pointed toward the river. "Look at it. Rocks block it, mud slows it, storms attack it, yet the river never quits. It doesn't fight, it transforms." Arjun whispered, "I'm tired." "Then rest," the old man replied gently. "But remember this, resting is not quitting. Sometimes stopping is how you find a better direction." The rain faded. The river softened. Mr. Dev asked one question that changed everything. "What do you want, Arjun? Not society, not relatives, you." After a long pause, Arjun said, "I want my own repair workshop. I understand machines, but I don't have money or support." Mr. Dev smiled. "Start with what you have. One tool, one customer, one step. Great lives," he added, "aren't built in one day." The next morning, Arjun found an old wooden crate near a scrap shop, cleaned it, placed it near the market. On a piece of cardboard, he wrote, "Machine repair, fast, honest, affordable." People laughed. Some ignored him, others whispered, "Waste of time." But Arjun kept working, quietly, patiently. With the discipline only broken, people develop. 1 week later, an elderly woman came with a broken mixer. 20 minutes later, it worked. Her smile gave Arjun more strength than any paycheck ever had. One customer became two. Two became 10. The crate became a shed. The shed became a workshop. And the man who once felt invisible became trusted. Months later, Mr. Dev walked into the workshop. "Still standing?" he asked. Arjun looked at his tools, the repaired machines, the future he built with his own hands. He smiled. "I didn't just stand, sir. I rebuilt myself." Mr. Dev nodded. "Never quit. Transform." Behind the workshop, the river flowed, steady, relentless, alive, just like Arjun. And for the first time, he wasn't afraid of new beginnings.